This is why they going crazy over these. Travis Scott lookalike. I ain't gonna lie, when these drop, fire. They still fire. I gotta find a way to wear these more. But today we're here to do a full, in-detail review of the Jordan 4 Canyon Purple. And I know, I'm on the record saying women exclusive sneakers do not really sell out. And I stand corrected. People are going crazy over this sneaker. And I don't know if it's because it's a Travis Scott lookalike, if Jordan 4 left the leather, gave us the suede. Is it the Canyon Purple colorway? It does look Halloweenish. People are going crazy over this sneaker, man. First off, man, welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. If you haven't, you know all the stuff the YouTubers say. Today is a full, in-depth review of this Canyon Purple. Off first glance, it looks like the Cactus Jack 6 khaki material, as the suede is so abrased. It looks almost like Grimace or Oscar the Grouch. Like, it's furry, guys. But I think the sneaker's dope, man. I don't want to do a lot of talking, man. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your Air Jordan 4 Flight box that you kind of get in OGs, even though this is not an OG. They're your elephant print or paint splatter, cement look for on the bottom. The back top of the box is black, big Jordan Man, Flight, all your bells and whistles on the other side. When you flip open the lid, all red inside. I was looking for a quality control stamp. Not there. OG tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Jordan 4 Purple Canyon, right? Canyon Purple? Yeah, Canyon Purple. And it's purple, guys. If this doesn't scream Grimace or Barney at first hit, then you haven't had a childhood. So here we go. Let's start with it. It's soft. It's soft. Even though it looks shabby, it looks like it needs a haircut, it is soft to touch, guys. This material is soft, man. And not my favorite purple. You know I'm a Laker fan, but I'm digging this purple. So around the purple, you get a whole bunch of like alligator hits. This is like alligator green with your paint spattacles all around it. So that's here, the eyelids for the shoes, laces, around the back, and even in the inside. The back is where I have my gripe. You know I'd rather Nike Air on the back. But the black stealth Jordan Man attached with the black on black, I kind of like that look. It gives like the whole theme of the look. Alligator, safety orange, Canyon Purple. It matches to me. So I'm not really mad at the back. Even though Nike Air would have looked better. We just know that, right? Getting to the tongue now. There go your safety orange, Jordan Jumpman logo, Flight words under it. I'm telling you, it's a Halloween vibe, guys. Black and orange, you already know that's Halloween. You add some purple, some green. It does give you Halloween vibes. But the material is A1 so far, guys. At first glance, when I seen the bottom here in that alligator green, I thought it might glow I was gonna hit it with the black light, but no, it just looked like a solid, slimy green. No glowing there. And the air bubble here is in white, but it's translucent as you can see right through it. More safety orange on the back of the tongue. The back of the tongue reads Air Jordan. Remember this was a thing when it was upside down. This became a thing. Yeah, I remember that too. Let's get to the bottom. More safety orange, a baby Jordan Jumpman logo there. More colors on the sneakers. Your green, your black, and your white finishes it off. These things come laced super tight in the same color as the sneaker. So I'm going to try to get in here to show y'all the inside color. And the inside color is also purple with a baby orange Jumpman. Phoenix Suns look, if you ask me. This right here is the left shoe. The left shoe comes attached with black shoelaces, wrapped Nike SB Dunk like. I like this. As I told y'all a couple of videos ago, Jordan brand Nike, they're getting away from them clear pouches, because it's better for the earth to just attach them to the sneaker. Even though I was kind of digging those, but if they're good for the earth, they're good for the earth. Everything is the same here. Nothing's changed but the added shoelaces. So I was joking with y'all earlier, talking about the Travis Scott in these. But when Travis Scott first came out with those 4s, we seen pictures of a sneaker that looks eerily similar to this sneaker. So that's why I think the hype around this sneaker is really that hype. I'm happy it's a woman exclusive, and woman exclusives are finally getting love. Far as this sneaker, it wouldn't be my first choice, even with the Travis Scott picture, because the colors is just off the wall. But I like this sneaker, guys. It's super dope, man. Right around Halloween time, Jordan Brand know what they're doing. But I want to ask you guys, do y'all think it's okay for these brands to be like kind of taking similar designs from a Hyper Beast collab and making it a GR? Because that's Kanye's problem right now. Kanye think Adidas is taking his designs and making GR custom sneakers and slides of his magnitude, and that's why he's mad. So I feel like Travis Scott should have a gripe about this, but man, everybody can't get them Hyper Beast sneakers, so when Jordan Brand decides to do this, I kind of like it, man. But that's just me. Let me know in the comment section below how you feel about that. This sneaker is different, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.